Welcome back to the course. In the last lecture, we covered on installing the demo application in our workspace, and now we are in this application, so let's get started. So before going on to the pages part, let me give a brief overview of this UI components in Oracle Apex. So back here we have our Oracle Apex home, which redirects me to the home page after I sign in. And then we have this quick navigation, which I explained already, and we have the search section, which we can search for a specific code written or for a particular component. And then we have this administration here, and then account part, which I can use my theme as dark mode or anything, and I can sign out here. And then we have this multiple task part of this application, and when we have this 5 options, and this 4 options, which I said the last 4, and these 3 things will come into handy when we have multiple pages installed. Other than those 3 pages, so I'll be explaining that we have created pages later on. So let's run this application for now, and before that, even I want to cover the bottom part. And we have this mail details, workspace language, the copyright 1999, which is the first Oracle Apex came in, and 2020 is when the course is published. And then we have this 20.1 version, which is the latest version for now in the Q1 2020. Okay, so let's run this application to see what's inside. So it's redirecting me to this new tab, and it's giving me a sign-in setup. And bottom we have this developer toolbar, and we have this home application page number and everything. So this 9999, which I was telling, is mapping with this page, login page 9999. So by default, this application is configured with authentication, so it will be redirecting to the login page first. So let me first give the credentials, the same credentials which we are using the workspace. So I filled the credentials, so let's sign in. Okay, so as you can see, the bottom one, we are changed to page number 1, which is home page. So as I said, when you're running an application, it redirects to the home page. First it is sign in page, and then to the home page. And here we don't have much things installed because it's only one component we can see. That's the icon with the label demo, and the top one is the navigation, which gives me a sign out option. And here we have this expand or collapse sidebar, which when clicked redirects me the home page again. So if we have multiple pages, we can add those in this navigation. Let's cover those later on in the next lecture.